It's January. It's
We've
January,
made
love.
it. We've made it.
Good morning. It was a good morning until that moment just happened. But it's a new year. Half of y'all looking busted. And this is why I'm even here with this video today, right now. Because I got the cure.
Because y'all was doing the most last night. So we gonna help you cure that.
We are here. Fenty Beauty to the rescue. We are making a brand new concealer. So as long as you know your Pro Filter shade, we have a corresponding concealer to match. And you don't even have to figure it out. I like to either put it on my hand like that, depending on how much or little I need to apply. If I put it on my hand like that, then I have a lot more scarcity when I pick it up. And I put it on the brush if I'm having like an early morning after a long night. Once you start blending it out with the Precision Concealer Brush. So I usually like to go up like this in the bottom of my eye where I want that definition. Do you see how this brush just buffed that out? It's like milk. No spots. Just look at that. Especially with a formula like this that dries down and mattifies eventually. You expect it to start getting tacky and picking up, but this formula does not. Look at how perfect of a finish it gives you right here. It's almost like a filter. No caking, no creasing. To highlight that nose bridge just a bit. And then I go in right under my brows. For a blemish like this one, I like to just blend that out in my concealer brush like that. It's like magic. It just goes away. Look at that. It's just like a buff out. It just buffers out. I obviously haven't set anything here. Before I could set that, there's a little bit of creasing right there. And just with one swipe, we all back to normal.
Cheers. 2019.